Hi everyone, welcome back to Turbo Trends, your go-to destination for the latest car reviews and automotive insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Subaru Forester, a vehicle that continues to impress as a reliable, versatile, and adventure-ready SUV. Let's explore what makes the new Forester stand out in an ever-competitive segment. Subaru is well known for its practicality and ruggedness, and the 2025 Forester is no exception. This model brings together everything Subaru fans love: an excellent all-wheel drive system, a spacious interior, and great fuel efficiency. But it's not just about sticking to tradition. Subaru has made some meaningful updates to keep the Forester fresh and modern. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 Forester has received a subtle yet effective design refresh. The front fascia is bolder, featuring a redesigned grille and sharper LED headlights, giving it a more aggressive and contemporary look. The body retains its rugged SUV character, with a high ground clearance that's perfect for off-road adventures. Plus, Subaru has introduced new color options and alloy wheel designs, which add to its visual appeal. Moving on to the interior, Subaru has focused on comfort and functionality. The cabin is spacious and offers ample headroom and legroom, making it a great choice for families and adventurers alike. High-quality materials and thoughtful touches, like soft touch surfaces and contrast stitching, elevate the overall experience. The seats are supportive, and the driver's position offers excellent visibility, which is a hallmark of the Forester. One of the highlights of the Forester's interior is its updated infotainment system. The 11.6-inch touchscreen is easy to use, responsive, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Whether you're navigating, streaming music, or taking hands-free calls, the system is intuitive and enhances the driving experience. There are also multiple USB ports and a wireless charging pad to keep your devices powered during long journeys. Under the hood, the 2025 Forester is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 182 horsepower. While it may not be the most powerful in its class, the engine is smooth and efficient. It's paired with Subaru's Lineartronic CVT, which ensures seamless acceleration and contributes to the SUV's excellent fuel economy. If you're planning to use it for road trips or daily commutes, you'll appreciate how economical it is. For those who love exploring off the beaten path, the Forester's standard symmetrical all-wheel drive system is a game-changer. It provides excellent traction on various terrains, from muddy trails to snowy,